Wish I can say I have an explanation for my disappearance, but I don't. Life be lifing. That's really all I gotta say. But this is gonna be a collective vlog of the past 2 weeks. All of this stuff happened in the span of 14 days, bro. I don't know why this all happened, but here it is. Went to the Beyonce concert, went out, my friend Jackie had brunch, lost my wallet, bro. I lost my wallet. ID, everything gone, bro. Lost my wallet. I'm so mad about that. Whatever. Also went on a hike. That was so hard, but I'm gonna get into all that in this vlog. Don't hate me, y'all. Wish I could say I'm back, but I said that before. And say is next video is gonna be a podcast. So forgive me. No. Oh well. Enjoy the vlog. Love y'all down. Until the next one. Bye. Kind of starting off the vlog in a weird place. But welcome to a week of my life.
Right off the bank when I bought that dollar, so when you come free, we're like flight mom, ain't no seat.
You know, guys, free will is amazing. I just was in there for 2 hours. I was drinking, I was smoking hookah. Now I'm feeling a little nice. Free will is honestly pretty fucking fun, if I do say so myself. Oh my god, y'all. I drank that drink so fast. But cheers to fucking Sunday fun day. Because I don't know what I'm about to get into next, but we about to just go. Ooh. Oh my god.
They injected me on this side and they went directly to the small.
Oh my god. Okay, so I feel like this is not making sense. I don't really want to speak on it that much because I'm actually really annoyed every time I think about it. But I'm basically going on and on about free will and blah 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 and how I'm having so much fun doing shit by myself, and I got so up that I lost my wallet, and that's pretty much it. I don't know what happened in between me leaving the spot and me getting on the train. I lost my wallet somehow. And that's pretty much that part of the vlog. I'm a little bit salty about it, but it's fine. This is like 3 weeks later and I'm totally fine. So yeah, we're good. This is now Beyonce.
Attention, please. Please secure all personal belongings. Military bags may be confiscated. All items should have.
They'll probably bring it to me. I can't get out.
That is so funny.
El tipo se despierta.
Ooh, child, it's It is so goddamn hectic, y'all. It's so goddamn hectic. It's raining, but we got brunch, and we're good. Sorry, I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry, y'all.
I'm in now. You know, all these songs sound good. Why? Cause I'm on now. Dead ass. Dead ass.
She was playing the show. A cold.
10 out of 10.
But it was a it's
Out of 10 for the rain, but I enjoyed it.
what though 0 out of 10 for the rain, but 10 for beach. Where are we at? Jersey, I will not be seeing ever again. Love you, never again. Bye. Hello. I don't even remember what the last thing that I recorded was, but this is the following day. A time was had. It was 10 out of 10. Amazing. Beyonce, 10s for you, babe, 10s. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got, because you're gonna, you know, have to do a little one too. So I'm gonna show y'all. So I got the New York exclusive So Tea. This is what I got. So cute. And then got this one. So freaking cute. It says, "This ain't a country tour, it's a Beyonce tour," which it is. So tea. And then for my friend Jackie, which you guys will see shortly, I got this. So cute. I kind of wish I would have got that, but you know what? We not gonna talk about it. Anyway, I actually gotta get going, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all a little bit later. I'm late, of course. Been posted. It's just. How I'm going to the baby shower. Why are you going? Right? So after we come back. The sauce. Cute. Oh, that's so cute. A little bit tired? Damn. I'm not like in common with them anymore that much.
Do the moderate loop, so it's about 4.5 to 5 miles. All right, that should take up the loop. It's a harder loop than, yeah, it's a harder loop. That should take up the time. The anticipation is to get back on the train around 5-ish, to get off the trail around 4-ish, and back to Cold Spring within that hour. Maybe grab a beer or two, all right, and then get on the train, coming back. Should be back in the city roughly around 6:30. That's the timeline I gave everybody at the onset. So just be aware that at some point, you're back you're doing. Been out there before. It's not something new. You're in good hands.
In the back.
That's gonna be heavy, no?
Yeah. Water is very heavy.
Like
It's
what?
easier to carry in the bag like that than
So you can clean it with bottle bright, which is like a
Oh, they have a vintage store. That's nice.
Man, that's why you do it.
Fucking tree. Yeah, ain't no way, Jose.
Just doing shit. Just doing shit.
The weight on that motherfucker.
Okay. Get down. Get down.
Look over, but
7.
yeah.
Y'all, he was in the army.
There you go. Yeah.
Hard.
All right.
Where's my feet?
Yep, you're good.
Yeah, you're good. This is one?
Yeah. Okay, bro, you reach it easily.
Everybody good? Anybody need anything?
Knock out all the way. Go all the way
I
down.
can't with this one.
Got a couple.
This is to doing what scares you. Oh my god. Shit is so cute. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay. Whew.
But the like